Hello guys, welcome to Digital Dexter. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use or set a custom ringtone on your device without using a computer, and this is totally free. You don't need to buy any software to do this. So the applications that you need for this to work is you have to download Ringtone Maker and GarageBand. Here is a screenshot of the apps. So yeah, I'm just providing you guys with the screenshot of the app so you see rather than the actual app from the App Store, because my network is actually not good right now. So when you search Ringtone Maker, this is the application that you have to download, and then you also download GarageBand. So what we'll do right now is we are going to set a custom ringtone. We are going to add a custom ringtone to our ringtones. So as you can see, ringtone, you come here. As you can see, I have 4 custom ringtones on my device here, and these are the ringtones that came with the phone. So here are my 4 custom ringtones. Sorry, I can't play them because of copyright. This one is copyright free. Okay, so let's get started with this tutorial. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do. I really appreciate it, and share this video if you end up finding it helpful. So after installing Ringtone Maker and GarageBand, all that you have to do is you open Ringtone Maker at first. Don't wait for it to load. Okay, after opening Ringtone Maker, what you do here is you tap on this add button right here. After that, you import from video. You tap on import from video. So we are going to take our sound from a video. For instance, if there is a TikTok video that you see and the sound is actually nice, you want to use the sound as a ringtone, you just save the TikTok video, and by default it saves to your camera roll. So you come to your camera roll. As you can see, you just open this app, tap on plus, and then import from video. So after tapping on import from video, this is my video that I want to take the sound from. You tap on it, it's going to import the video. As you can see, 2 minutes 30 seconds, and by default we know that the ringtone, the iPhone ringtone, uses just 30 seconds. So you tap on it, you tap on clip, then you select the part that you'd want to use for the ringtone. Let's say, for instance, I want to use from 1 minute to 1 minute 29 seconds. Then okay, after tapping on done, it's going to crop the audio to the selected time. As you can see here, 29 seconds. So you tap on it again, then you tap on make, you tap on GarageBand right here. You only get this option after you install GarageBand. You tap on GarageBand, it's going to switch to GarageBand. GarageBand opens in a landscape mode, as you can see. So it exports to GarageBand. This is the audio that we just exported. So you tap and hold on it, then you scroll down, you select share, then you choose this option which says ringtone. You tap on it. Then as you can see, your ringtone length needs to be adjusted. Your ringtone needs to be 30 seconds or less. Normally it shows this. Just tap on continue. Here you rename. I'm going to name it as subscribe, please. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, I'll say export. Or this one I've changed it. Okay, no problem. It's exporting it. Okay, from here you can use sound as and set it as your ringtone, but I want to take us back to our ringtone settings, where we will just set it and see if it's added to our ringtone. So minimize this, go back to your settings, ringtones. Okay, as you can see, here is the subscribe please, and Yeah, so it's now set. So we've now set our new ringtone as the subscribe please. So let's try playing it by calling. Okay, this is pretty much it. Please, if you find this video tutorial helpful, make sure you share it with your friends. As you can see, both the two applications are free to download and use. Please ensure you subscribe, and I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.